So, namaste, everybody. Thank you very much for this wonderful opportunity. First of all, the 10, signal signature event that we have planned is excellent. Out of which, right now, I can say that we have planned under four headings in our university. One is the first one, Yoga Samavesh. We are reaching out to nine different special schools. We are not just reaching out to the special children. हम तो उनके पेरेंट्स यानी कि केयर गिवर्स उनको भी फोकस कर रहे हैं केयर गिवर बर्डन रिड्यूस करने के लिए और ये तीसरा एस्पेक्ट है स्पेशल एजुकेटर्स जो टीचर्स है ये दिव्यांग बच्चों के टीचर्स सो वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन थ्री डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स as far as Yoga Samavesh, the Divyanga population goes, and also the Senior Citizen Association, the hospices, all of them we are covering as part of our IDY planning. And the next part would be Yoga Connect, where the Global Yoga Summit of Yoga for healthcare professionals and yoga experts. We are planning something of that. And Yoga Unplugged for the young population, younger generation. So, हमारे university में we have all the healthcare professional, institution where we have medical, nursing, dental, allied health sciences, school of pharmacy, school of physiotherapy, and many more. So all the students under these streams will get yoga, and we are actually starting the training from next week for the common yoga protocol also, which will be done at the university campus, and we have two off campus, like one in Chennai and one in Karaikal. So we will be extending over to those also. And we are also planning to conduct elocution competitions, quiz competitions for all the streams of the healthcare professional students that I was mentioning about. So that is one program, and then some yoga, the last event that you said, the evidence-based yoga practices into medical and contemporary healthcare system. So that would be the culmination of the IDY for us, where we will be having a seminar. Apart from this, we are also planning an international faculty development program to reach out to all the faculties from different parts of the globe to come into it, and then we'll have a sangam there also. So that's it. I think we are planning much more also, into this. I'm just outlining the main events that we have planned. So thank you so much. Your suggestions are most welcome. Wherever possible, we are ready and we are very much open to integrate with other state chapters also. So thank you so much.
Professor Meena, thank you so much for those inputs. We are really thrilled, the way you have taken ownership of these 10 signature events, and grateful for thinking ahead and thinking proactively. So the ministry will be very happy to be associated with these activities. We will be getting in touch with you, and reverse also, please welcome. Please get in touch with us. All of them exciting activities which you have done. Thank you. And particularly the international program which you said, that is something which we could not envisage. So you have gone ahead of what we thought that is possible.